Hey. Who are you, Mr. Man? How can you just walk into my privacy, into my property and begin to move around without any permission? Please. Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, okay? My name is Efe.
What about Efe? What about it? Who are you?
It's okay. I guess you don't recognize the person standing in front of you. Let me make it straight. My name is Efe, the winner of Big Brother Africa. Efe based on logistics. The man with swag.
Wait a minute. You're kidding me, right?
No, I don't joke with things like this. See, the swagger's burning on fire based on logistics.
Hey! Efe of Big Brother Africa.
Based on logistics.
The Efe that everybody know.
Loud it, bro.
Hey! I said it when I see this big Efe where you wear. That is Ephesus. Efe must be Ephesus. That's it. Efe in my compound.
Yeah.
That means God has remembered me.
Of course.
What brought you? What can I offer you?
Well, I am on a missionary quest, visiting different states, trying to empower their youths. But unfortunately, your state, or should I say your community, is found worthy. I want to bring in some social variety, TV programs, let them know that entertainment has money. Money we talk about, for the rich dude like us, we call it Benjamins. Try to empower them. I think it's time the youth stop running around doing some petty business, selling what you guys call fufu. No. Don't do that shit. Let them come and make good use of their brains, what God has given to them. So I decided that, I was told actually that they have a vacancy here, so I just came to check.
Wait a minute. Now,
sorry, I don't mean to cause you BP. Take it.
I feel like venting.
No, take it.
Because it's called for wow. But the next thing that will follow is getting wow. Then I know. You know what I mean?
That's what's
in my compound.
Yeah.
My village youth. You want to open TV apartment for them?
No. It's called TV program.
Oh dear.
Or you can say TV. A TV program, yeah, that's
TV.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, that's based on logistics.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
So
much.
You said I should do what for you?
Yes, I actually needed a small place where I will lay my head. Where I go about giving the publicity to the entire community. I decided not to come with my private jet, 64 engine Carrad. Have you heard of that? Private jet that moves the land. 64 engine Carrad.
Ooh.
Yeah. If I roll that stuff, because such a product with huge amount of money, you don't drive it, you roll it. Based on logistics. So I don't feel like I don't want to come with that. Let me play it low. like low, just like that song, you know.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I almost mistook you for someone else. I was thinking it's all these vandalizers.
No,
somebody have come to vandalize my compound. Thank God you spoke out. If not, Dorima, yeah, what Dorima?
I'm proud of that. Do you know the first time I went to Britain, the president mistook me for one of the. When I said no, this is Efe based on logistics. Man, money start coming into my account. Yeah. So I've come to bless your community actually.
Wow.
And by the grace of God, before I spend like a month, I will try to see how I can liberate you from this old pattern of building. Yeah, get some POP, some chandeliers, and don't worry, you enjoy me. Trust me, you enjoy me.
Okay, man.
Yeah, I just want to pull it low. I don't want any form of kidnap.
It's okay. In fact, you are a great man.
Really.
I am happy that at least you chose to come to my village.
Of course.
Because as I am here, I just returned to just hide out. If I had brought all my machines and packed them here, there would be no space for my tenants to pack their own.
You can say that again.
Because you know me as very, very well. This house is the smallest house I have ever had.
Wow.
Yes, the smallest, because it was my father's house. But in this place, if I tell you the people that packed out from this place, even Ojuku of Igbo land, you know Odumegwu Ojuku?
Yeah, of course.
The same room here, this room is locked permanently in the memory of Ojuku.
Wow.
Any day you remember this room, remember Ojuku.
Wow.
During the war, they used to come here for their hideout.
Wow.
He was a refuge in this room. The whole ammunition that he used to fight war was packed here. Wow. After the war, it was discovered in this room.
Wow.
The people that have lived in this compound, if I tell you, in fact, you have just zoomed it into government erroneous apartments. Because as for me, you know me now, president of Togo here, president of Togo,
yeah,
his cousin, that is the president of Uganda, we eat and dine together. Wow. The day I came back to this village, they brought me. Everybody was singing my praise. So I said, no, why would I have this big house here and nobody's living it? That is why I say I have to throw it open for people to come in and rent and live and establish. So like I was saying, I am a big man. I am made. I am not just an ordinary person. You know Zubi Michael of Nigerian Nollywood of
course.
Zubi Michael lived here.
Whoa.
Before he became a Zendiara and before Arabawazi Shinkokashia, Banyezi Ure Zendiara, Gogo, Bido doings and all that things, not choke. Now here he choke, he almost choke here. Choke, I won't get a choke, you actually top where I won't pay. Yet this is a choke, he choke me, what was there from here? You know Mama G now. Patience was up.
Of course, now
she got born again in this compound.
Really?
Yeah, she encountered Christ. Wow. Celebrity compound. And me say about Jerry Williams.
Wow.
Jerry Williams, he used to have that.
Yeah.
Now compound that color that boy is here.
This is awesome.
You know, I come awesome. Well, I hear this woman, in Njideka. Okay.
I can't
yes, the fair one.
Yeah.
Woo! Her music was waxed here.
Don't say it.
The video was shot. Everything about that video, you were from their beginning to the end of their video. Season 1 to season was shot in this compound. They didn't step an inch. Wow. We used to have underground distance here.
Okay, I saw
yes, like I have to demolish it because of the trooping in of people.
Oh, wow.
Celebrity compound. Was it Diamond Okechi? Before I saw one party, Ngaka no party, I party just see you. Party Diamond Okechi, party is Oya. Before I saw Zem party, Kitoga, son, party. He was parried here. So there is nothing you can tell me that can I. The main ogwego gworo na compound that ewo jiri gwa gwego mbuso woni me compound that can of where maka ihe mkuru wura
Can you also stay?
Can you go to the back? I will show you near the generator house. That was where he lived. Wow, and all what gwego ewo jiri gwa gwego bia nga abale ona na-ete kala ya obekata oh yeah, maybe now shock you. Let me now put you in the mood of ungamunga. You know this compound. The reason I said this compound is a celebrity compound. You know Pete Edochie. You know Pete Bubediko from Igbo. Lion of Africa.
Of course.
You know him very well.
I know him very well.
Pete Edochie lived here. In fact, it was from this compound Keshi Sheye Bubedike. Boy, a lion Lion of Africa. The same lion ventured from the bush into this compound. Lion. By the time he shot lion from the power given to him in this compound, now our people now crown him the Lion of Africa.
Wow.
all these people that did living in bondage, from A to my Andy Okeke, they all lived in bondage in this compound. Wow. This is a celebrity compound. They lived in bondage. Live in bondage, oh, bondage from here. Wow. They now started getting their freedom. Wow. So this is a celebrity compound. You are welcome.
You've done no
Efe of Guinea, Big Brother Africa.
Based on logistics.
Welcome to a Big Brother compound. I usher you into my compound. I will give you a bigger room for a bigger personality. Don't worry, come. Oh, Efe in my house. Yeah.
You have a.
We don't have Efe. Today,
you will have to cement this place if I must stay there.
Will you stand up? Hey. Come on, stand up. So if I allow you, you will sit down. How dare you? Do you think it is easy to build a house?
Sorry, sir.
So mbaka kitu bagay na mana kai kuko so ndo kwa so nyengulo no nyengulo.
No way, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
You said you want to live in my compound.
Yes, sir.
I hope you are well to do. I hope your pocket is heavy. I don't know about keeping no loan. We don't like giving up because I am not buying joke. At least get a bumbo now. What do you do for a living?
Before I am a businessman, but now I'm a doctor.
Huh?
I'm a doctor.
You're a doctor?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fantastic. You can now sit. You can now sit. Yes. This is, we're going to call this now meeting between the landlord and the doctors. Because your dressing didn't show it, but I know sometimes people can disguise, you know. You're welcome to my abdomen.
Thanks,
You're
sir.
welcome.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome. You see, this house is not just an ordinary compound. Yes, if you look around or if you ask around, all the people that are living here, they are selected. If I know what landlord and he doesn't suit it, he doesn't want it. And I have a doctor in my compound. Anyhow, welcome. Go on now, because already hospital is in my house.
I'm not just a doctor. I'm also a scientist. And I don't joke with my landlord and my landlady and the tenant around me.
Hey,
I always take care of everybody.
Hey, yeah. This is what shouting. You're welcome. You're welcome. You see, him was about Ebola Morodia. I'm sorry, Biawa. I am Gauzi or Yabawa. And when I went there, I could Biawa Kuba or Biawa. Because already I have a doctor in my house. That means Nadia hospital is already here. In fact, the first sickness I'll be expecting now, I chair or one on our life.
You have nothing to worry about. I specialize in those kind of sickness. The only sickness I don't know how to handle, na person don't die.
Oh.
Honestly, apart from that, every other thing na kapungu. My EB, I cure everything, and I cure and I give and take. I am now.
You cure and you give.
Oh, consider.
Wow. The last paragraph, because the movie sound, you know, but nevertheless, you're not my case, me. You're welcome. Anyway, you're welcome to my house again. Like I said earlier, this structure took me a lot of money. And this place is not just
an ordinary compound. You need to pass through thorough investigation to know your background, to know your faculty, to know where you are coming from and where you are headed to. Because most times people get problems in the house, landlord and tenant, and then one issue is because they don't do proper investigation before they can take in any tenant in their compound. Everybody known at this compound, orientational opioids. Oh yes. Oh yes, you have to undergo through what they call proper land dispute. Yes, in the court of law, they call it memorandum and arandum. You don't understand because only in Ahweba, I am not just ordinary landlord, but I read my landlordship. I have my certificate of becoming a. In fact, to shock you, you know this some local Efe of Uganda. He lived here. Some local packed out from him. In fact, the house we are going to occupy was where he lived before he packed out.
Bonona.
No! The same bathroom a born as a way bigger than from now henceforth. I'm not just joking. You can ask around. I don't brag with what I don't have. I promise you name one. I may talk na do. So another person who live here that you will be very, very surprised. Do you know Munobiakwa? Munobiakwa from BC?
Yeah, I'm a man.
That died during the war. Munobiakwa, he lived at the boys' quarter. Muna died. Muna lived here. He almost died here. I gave him quick note. The show
Oh Lord, ancient of days.
Ancient of he will renovate every year.
Okay.
And then the structure was designed. I mean, the fundamental human rights of this house was constructed by Queen Elizabeth of Abreba here.
Abreba?
Oh, Abreba. Abreba, the Abreba local government. She worked there for past 14 years. After 14 years, she was renovated and was posted here to serve in this local government. But she couldn't stay because of the environmental discharge. She was discharged and she was sent to Morubi. Eba was the final project before she joined.
Morubi can ever.
Morubi. Do you know Ojuku? Ojuku of Igbo land. Or the Miyoko Ojuku now.
Ojuku.
During the war, Ojuku here back. This was his hiding place. He was a refugee into this compound. This was his hidden place. He hid here. After years, Achogidi even natural. And actually, na Sokoto, actually na Kubwa, actually na Wabula. They whatever natural for there. And actually, na bad. However, not have a be here and hide their own way. So I bad. You will be able to here. In fact, Ungwagani Lojidaya, it was discovered in this house. So this place is not just an ordinary compound. It is called Bethlehem. Bethlehem. Hem. Yes. You know Akanchawa of Morubi. Akanchawa, the popular Akanchawa. Akanchawa grandmother lived here for years. In fact, the woman died here.
Akanchawa, is it from Morubi?
Yes. The grandmother was from Morubi. Then married at Umunubi. She died here at the age of 115. That's how gay big guy people. He said, no, you have to leave. You don't know. Anyway, to summarize the whole mess, I will have to give you rules and regulations, constructed ones that guide this compound. If you must live here, you must abide to it. Otherwise, when we have a landlord and tenant worrisome, problematic. So while I talk to you, let me get the memorandum of this very piece. Okay. Feel at home.
Okay, sir.
Feel at home.
Okay, sir.
Hey, yeah. This is the rules and construction that is guiding this compound. Go through it.
Hey!
If you can keep them, you come back.
Oh, when you're coming out, I was thinking it's the dictionary now you won't bring, come give me. This is not the list where they guide this house?
Yes. Yes, this house is like Nigeria. A day they are like, a day we pay for that banging. What to make and bota, I now move the lawyer remain the same. Just go and go through it. Because in every successful compound, there is terms and terminology.
Landlord, I beg, make you the pieces this your grammar small for me, I beg. I know they understand what you they talk sometimes.
Don't worry, don't worry. In my Nwagara school now behind the wall, English is always different. But just go, you get used to it by the time you be here.
Okay. So what there? Come now, go. Let me check. Later I'll get back to you, sir.
It's alright.
Yeah?
It's alright.
Alright, take care, sir.
Alright.
Hey.
Doctor.
Landlord.
We have a doctor in the house. That means I'm progressing. I have lab, I have doctors, I have nurses. Everybody.
Okay, so don't better my miri the way. Okay, children, better. Oh, yeah, come on, okay. Chineke na le kwa. Ke o dia ko di hen ka bikon. Akuna matata, akuna mani ihe a ga-abụ tata bi. No generator no. Maka ụda generator. Ka o di akpọkwala nwaanyị abata. Ọ dịkwa ka nwoke ma wee onye okwu na ụka. Ọ dịkwa ka nwoke ma wee onye okwu na ụka. Ọnụdode. Adị agwa ochi ntị na aga esugo mgbe ọ fụrụ ka ọsọ na-eme ọzọ bụ isi onwe ya. Udodi.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip.